Welcome to Hey Dr. Sue. So people submit their sex questions to me anonymously, and once a week I post one question and one answer. Do you have a sex question you've always wanted answered? Go ahead and check out the description for information on how to submit it anonymously. This week's question is, can people pass STDs through oral sex? And the answer is absolutely yes, they can. When you think of STDs, sexually transmitted diseases, which ones do you think of? Syphilis, gonorrhea, chlamydia, all three of those can be passed through oral sex. Same is true for viral STDs like herpes and HPV. While we talk about oral sex being a possible way to spread HIV, there aren't a lot of documented cases of this, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't still take precautions to prevent the spread. STDs can be passed through not just vaginal and oral sex, but also through anal sex, and some STDs can also be spread through oral anal contact. So how do you protect yourself? By practicing safe sex. The problem is that when we talk about safe sex in this country, or I should say if we talk about safe sex in this country, it's often really limited because the focus is on penile vaginal intercourse, and this isn't really helpful if you're engaging in a behavior where pregnancy is impossible. You don't have to worry about pregnancy from oral sex, oral anal contact, or sex toy play, but you do need to worry about the possibility of passing STDs from those things. So what precautions should you take? Use a barrier method. What exactly does that mean? If you're performing oral on a penis, put a condom on it. If you're using a sex toy, make sure you clean it and clean it well. I also think you should be using condoms on your sex toys. If you're performing oral sex on a vulva or engaging in oral anal contact, then you can use a dental dam. Never heard of a dental dam? I'm not surprised. They're not readily available. In fact, most people just order them online rather than trying to find them in their local stores. A dental dam is essentially a square piece of either latex or polyurethane, and if you look around, you may be able to find some that are flavored. Some important things to note about dental dams. First, they aren't reusable. Also, if you're allergic or sensitive to latex, make sure you have a polyurethane one or use something else. That something else could be a condom that you cut open. The CDC has some directions on how to do this, and the link to that is in the description. Same rules though. Cut open condoms are not reusable. And a small hint, if you use a condom that has delay gel on it, your mouth will go numb. Have fun and be safe. Did you enjoy that video? If so, make sure to like it. Also make sure to subscribe. It lets you know when new videos are coming out and it helps to support the channel. Check out the description for information on how to find me on Instagram and Medium.